what's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jack. So Matic exploded to the upside. We hit our TP1 on our trade. So we're sitting at $1.05. We're up almost 19% on the day. Seeing market cap of 10.03 billion. 24-hour volume, 2.33 billion. So if we pop into the chart, we absolutely exploded to the upside. I actually thought we'd see a little bit more pullback. But as you can see, we just saw a massive breakout. So, wow, I was supposed to say TP1. It says TP exclamation mark. So we hit our TP1. We sniped our entry down here at about 0.0753. And from our entry here, that's a juicy gain of 30% up to our TP1. And it looks like we have a good chance of working our way up to our TP2. You can gain free access to my trade signals if you hang around to the end of the video and smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm. So this is what I'm looking at with this recent breakout. So I had talked about the potential for a wave one to the upside off the low here at 51 cents, wave one up, wave two pullback, and now you're pushing up in that wave three. And within that wave three are of course 5 waves, which are here in yellow. Let me pull this down a little bit. So right now we have a beautiful 1-2 and we just exploded to the upside. So if we can look at a smaller wave count, so I took my trend-based strip extension from the bottom of this wave count up to the top of the wave 1 here in yellow, down to the bottom of the wave 2. And the 1.618 target is $1.11. So within that wave 3 here in yellow are 5 waves. So you have a beautiful wave 1 to the upside, just a small wave 2 pullback. Boom, exploded in a wave 3. Then you pull back in a wave 4. You push up in a wave 5 to $1.11 and pull back in a wave 4 and push higher up towards our TP2 at about $1.18. And from our entry, that will be a juicy scrumdiddlyumptious gain of 55%. No cap. So that's what I'm looking at for Matic. Love to see the explosion to the upside. Doing well on our trade there. I talked about this consolidation on the weekly, this bull pennant. I said I think it's likely will eventually break out and soon to see that bullish cross of the 20 over the 50 on the weekly. And as you can see, we just exploded to the upside. So give it time and we'll eventually go all the way up to about $1.37 for our good friend Matic. All right, gang. Ethereum retested the wedge just as we called for in the previous video, so we could break out from here. Now, it could be a wave that we're putting in a wave B. I had mentioned that there's a possibility, and then we see a deeper correction. Or there is a possibility that the 5-wave move completed right here. I showed you guys this in the previous video. I'll show you quickly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And that's your wave 2 pullback. And right now you're pushing up in the wave 3, so you would see a really large breakout. We'll have to see if we get a 5-wave impulse and then we hold a pullback. That will give a signal that you're going to put in that larger wave 3. We'll have to see how that one plays out. But we did exactly what we were looking for with the retest of the wedge, and now we're starting to bounce. So I think it's likely we do come up and break this high and head up towards that resistance zone that we've been covering at 2,500. And then maybe we'll see a pullback before seeing continuation up to 3150, which is the target of the ascending triangle. So we love to see it. We love to hit our take profits. We've been doing really, really well on our trades in the Discord. If you want completely free access to my trade signals, all you have to do is sign up to Bitfinex. No KYC, no VPN, all around the world, including my US and Canadian traders who are dying for an exchange. My subscribers only get a 20% bonus into their futures account. So if you deposit $1,000, you get $200 completely free to trade with. $100 is the minimum, and you get $20. Email me, and you'll get that 20% bonus, and I'll also give you access to my VIP rooms, my daily crypto analysis. Here's our Matic trade setup. Crypto news, my exact crypto trade setups, crypto news. Member profits, Forex signals, Forex analysis, trade crypto, trade Forex, all in one place with a sign up and deposit to Bitfinex. Otherwise, you can sign up through the Patreon if you want direct access. It's $10 a month. All links down below. Do smash up that like button, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you in the next video. Much love. Take care.